Welcome to the OU College of Dentistry's Axiom training. This video will discuss the basic workflow of eRx. Updating the patient's information in eRx is important if you prescribe. eRx has built-in safety checks based on the information charted. During the patient's initial screening appointment, consent will be obtained to access the patient's eRx. The consent form is called consent to access. Although this consent form is typically obtained during the screening appointment, you should check that it is on file during your appointment. Let's access your patient's eRx. Select your patient, click EHR, click Medications, click the plus sign. For prescribers, click on Axiom eRx Authorized User Sign In. This will require you to sign in. eRx will display the patient's information. With a new patient, or if the patient's allergies or pharmacy information is missing, a warning message will display at the top. It is to remind you that the information is needed. If you need to update your patient's pharmacy, click on the magnifying glass in the pharmacy field. You would enter the search criteria for the pharmacy you need. Click Search. Click on the pharmacy to select it. The patient's pharmacy is now updated. Next, we will update the patient's current medications. Remember, ensuring that the patient's current medications is accurate is important for the safety checks. The medication section will update with any documentation that occurred in Axiom. Clicking on the Show Medication History button will show medication history from other sources. This will only default to show the last 3 months, but that can be changed. To update the patient's medications list, click on Add Medications. To find the medication in the database, search for the medication's name and select it. Click on the Medication Details link to enter the dosage information, and then click Add. Updates in eRx will cross over to Axiom. Once the active medications list is up to date, click on the hammer icon to mark as reviewed. Click Complete, then click Confirm Review. This will record the username and timestamp the review. It is important to know that marked as reviewed does not mean that you looked at it. It means that you reviewed it with your patient. Let's update the patient's allergies next. To find the allergies section, you'll scroll to the bottom. Allergies entered into Axiom will display here. If the patient has no known drug allergies, mark the patient as NKDA. To add an allergen, click on the blue plus sign. Search for the allergen and select the allergen from the list. Enter the reactions, the severity levels, and onset date if it is known, and then click Save. Once the allergies list is up to date, click on the blue check mark to mark it as reviewed. Click Confirm the review. This will record the user's name and timestamp the review. Now we're ready to prescribe our prescription. Find the Create New Rx button. Enter the prescription's name and select the prescription from the list. Click the Medications Detail link to make edits to the prescription. Select the drug type. Indicate if this is a scheduled drug. You should default as the prescribing provider. Verify the pharmacy if this prescription is going to be sent electronically, and then enter the prescription's details. Click Review to save updates. Review the prescription details to ensure they are correct. If any changes need to be made, click the back button to return to the previous screen. When ready, click Save and Add Rx to save this medication and add another, or click Save Pending Rx to return to the main screen. Once all prescriptions are added and listed underneath the Prescription Management section, enter your password and select the method you would like your script to be sent. Send will send the script to the pharmacy electronically. Send and Print will send to the pharmacy electronically and print a paper script. Print, don't send will only print out a script. Sign, don't print will approve your prescription, but it will not print a script, nor will it send an electronic prescription. Now you have successfully prescribed your prescription. Next, let's discuss how to approve medications. On the status bar at the bottom, an eRx notification will display if you have a pending eRx notification. Click on the eRx notification to review all of your notifications. Click Report. This report lists all of the prescriptions that require your signature. You would review the scripts. If you only want to sign for a specific prescription, be sure to review which prescriptions are selected. When you're ready to sign, enter your password and choose the appropriate option. Now you have successfully approved the prescription. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Dental Informatics team. If you like our videos, please like our video below and subscribe to our channel for more content from us. Thanks!